So rock, paper, scissors is a decent little game. This is how far I'd got in class. So the computer has chosen a random one out of this array. The player has also chosen from that array by putting in a number 0, 1 or 2, and then it's chosen either 0th, 1th or 2th out of this array itself. And we've got two checks in place. Did they both choose the same? If so, it's a draw. Or did the player choose rock and computer choose paper, in which case the computer won? And that works, and it's fairly straightforward from here to do a quick copy and paste and mild edit, and then that's the working game. All I've done is copied and pasted this single if statement and edited it for computer beating player with scissors versus paper, and edit all of those. Those are all the computer ones, and these are the human ones. And copying and pasting is a very valid activity when you're programming. It's a quick and dirty way to get things working. Now, this does work. I've checked it, because you have to run your program and check it. Let's look at a couple of ways of just tidying this up a little bit. I don't love these three if statements here. What I can do is I can just take this condition and I can copy that out of there, and I can say or. So I could say or that. So if the player chose rock and the computer chose paper, or the player chose paper and the computer chose scissors, and let's just do the other one as well, and or the last condition, player chose scissors, computer chose rock, then the computer won. I no longer need these. That would be just fine. One thing to be wary of is there is actually an algebraic order of operations, or a Boolean algebraic order of operations. So if you've got something like this, it's a good idea to say put some stuff in brackets, just like in normal mathsy kind of algebra. So you can say evaluate that, evaluate that, and evaluate that, and then see one or the other, and that just makes sure that it does things in the right order. So I'm going to leave it as a little exercise for you to do the same thing with this one. Make sure that all works. So we could do this as if-elses as well, or else-ifs, sorry. So what might be tidy, I'm just going to take that out of there, and then I can just do this as else if, and then finally I could do another else if and have the rest of that all working there. I'll leave that as a little exercise for you to do. So that's the first set of things that I want you to get working. Do that right now, then come back and see the next video.